Okay, here we are again. Yes. Oh, look at this. Mr. Hippity Hoppity is coming along. He woke up. Alright, come on. Oh, here he goes. Such a crazy dog. Well, I have kind of like an unboxing video here today. The other day I was on like my favorite place, looking at eBay, and I found this Minolta Dimage 7 camera, or 7 high or I or something, whatever it was, and yeah, it was pretty cheap. I mean, for a single lens reflex camera, it would actually also do videos and stuff. And the guy only wanted 30 bucks for it. Of course, it doesn't have any other extra stuff with it. I mean, it doesn't have the charger with it, or extra cables, or any of that sort of stuff. But I did find out all that stuff is cheap. I mean, 6 or 7 bucks for each of those items, and that's all. I mean, very reasonable prices. And this, when I was looking at the review on this thing, this is right here. That's review. Well, there's the picture of the camera when I bought it off of eBay, and it looked like it was brand new, and we're going to find out if it is. I partially unboxed it, which is it's stuck in so many bags with it. I mean, it's really packed in there good. Here, you want to play with that? No? It's a big camera. Put it this way, it's bigger than my other video cameras I use. But I got it basically for a still camera, but looking at this, it's basically, I think Minolta bought out Konica is what it was, because Konica used to be its own brand too, but this one just says Minolta on it. It doesn't say Konica, but I believe that's what happened, because I remember my brother had a Konica single lens reflex. And okay, so it's got the lens cap on it. The lens looks fine. I mean, oh well, maybe a better shot there. But all in all, I mean, it looks really clean. I mean, it looks like it was hardly ever used. Even on the bottom where it plugs into a tripod, it doesn't look like it was ever used at all. Let's see how you turn it on. Oh yeah, it says off. Alright, see if that works. Oh, made a funny noise. Oh, by golly. Shows my battery's working. Okay, well, takes 4 AA batteries, and let me turn it around. Well, look, you see anything? Do I look fat? So it looks like it's, oh yeah, it's doing something. So it does seem to work. So it's okay there. I have no idea where all these functions are. I mean, it's got stuff all over the place on this thing. So I did go online and I downloaded the review on it. It came out in 2002. Let's see, what's this say? Minolta has announced the Dimage 7. This camera is based on the Dimage 7i with a black body design and has new features and improvements, including built-in PC sync terminal, selectable color space, extra fine JPEG mode, more white balance modes, and a full rubber hard grip. Well, it does have that, definitely. That's definitely rubber there. That is, definitely. So, we got image sizes 2560 by 1920, 1600 by 1200, 1280 by 960, 640 by 480, super fine, extra fine, macro. Basically, it just goes on and on and on and on. I mean, the list is endless on this. All the features this thing has. Got a built-in flash. Also has a hot shoe for external flash. I mean, and it's 7 power zoom on this one. So yeah, so it's a bit bigger than my other cameras are, but it uses the same plug-in. You know, they all use the same screw and stuff. So I got a lot of stuff to read on this, but yeah, it's in good shape. The weird thing about it was I paid $30 for it. With expedited shipping, it came to $44. I paid for this. I think it was $14.95 for the expedited shipping. So for a camera that originally sold for $1,200 back in 2002 for $30, and it still works, yeah, I'm going to buy that every time. So anyway, there you are. It was just a short little one today, nothing big. I don't know all the features on this thing yet. I'm going to have to get my SD card and try it out and all that sort of stuff. But it's got a nice little screen up there. It has the other visual screen there. It's single lens reflex, so what you see through this finder here, it's looking the same coming through that lens. So should be just about perfect. So we shall see. We'll try it later on and see what happens. So that'll be it for now.